I'm a fellowship-trained breast surgical oncologist. I'm Dr. Amani Jambakar, and welcome to my October myth busting series, where I bust a different myth about breast cancer every single day of the month. Today's myth: stress causes breast cancer. This is a made-up case to illustrate my point, but similar to patients that I and my colleagues have all seen in the past. This is a 50-year-old female who felt a lump under her nipple. She went to her primary care doctor, who ordered her a mammogram. Unfortunately, due to stressors in her life, she couldn't get that mammogram done for 2 months. And eventually she had an ultrasound and then a biopsy, which showed that she had a large triple negative breast cancer. When she came to see me in the office, she asked me if her life stressors had caused her cancer. And in that 2-month span where she couldn't get a mammogram, she had a special needs child who was going through a lot of medical problems of his own, and she couldn't find anyone to step in and help take care of him. She was a single mom because her husband had passed away in the last year and couldn't prioritize her own self-care. And I told her honestly, no, stress did not cause this breast cancer, and there was nothing you could have done to prevent it. I think this myth gets perpetuated because people are looking for a reason why some people develop breast cancer, and saying that it's because of life stressors is a good way to put the blame back on the patient instead of putting the blame back on society where it belongs, because unfortunately a lot of women have life stressors where other family members' needs are more important than their own, and they're not able to get things like a mammogram, which are self-care. If this story is starting to sound a little bit familiar for some of y'all who are survivors watching this, please know that your stress did not cause your breast cancer and that you did the best that you could with the resources you had at the time. And I stand by you and think that you are the strongest, most resilient person for having gotten through it, as well as everything else going on in your life.